All right, guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Andre, and I want to talk about Bitcoin today because I have many friends that have already asked me how high can Bitcoin go. So I want to talk about this today, where Bitcoin is heading to. Let's check this out because this is quite amazing. I think Bitcoin, if we keep in this kind of trend where the United States is talking about having a Bitcoin strategy reserve, this can be massive for Bitcoin. So I want to talk how high can Bitcoin go if this narrative keeps going, and where's the level, which level is the most important support that Bitcoin cannot lose. Because if you lose the 72K, I want to talk about this today, it can be quite dangerous for Bitcoin. Okay, so let's have a look. So Bitcoin broke out this bull flag. I've been talking in my Portuguese channel, so I have a Brazilian channel, by the way. I've been talking about Bitcoin for like pretty much 4 years. So I've been saying to Brazilian guys there, say guys, look, this 53 level is a massive support level because we have a massive volume here. Bitcoin rarely loses volumes, especially the amount of liquidations they had here. So I told many people, hey guys, buy here because this is probably the best opportunity we have for Bitcoin right now. So we broke this bull flag. So I want to talk about how high can Bitcoin go from these levels here. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So for bull flag, we can check here, for example, this bull flag pole here. Like there's many ways to see that, right? But what I'm seeing right now is this massive pole here, which is forming this bull flag. So if Bitcoin keeps going and keeps moving higher than 110K, I think it's very likely that we're gonna reach around 160K Bitcoin. And not because only that, because let me show you some levels here using Fibonacci extension, which is quite amazing. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So this is the Fibonacci extension tool. You go here to TradingView, which is an amazing tool. I love TradingView. I've been using this for years. So the Fibonacci base Fib extension here, which is an amazing tool, we can do like that. So let me do this extension for you. You pretty much do the pole here and the low level, and you can see the 100% level, 100% Fibonacci level, it's around 160K. So Bitcoin can reach up to 160K if it does exactly this this movement, right? So but it can reach up to 300K, guys. So this is the level 1.618, which is a Fibonacci level Bitcoin reaches pretty much most of the times, and it can reach up to 300K. But I'm pretty confident if Bitcoin can reach above 110K and keeps going with increasing with open interest, we can reach at least 160K per Bitcoin. Okay, so if you want to be more conservative, let me show you another levels here, which you can have a look. This is a level. Let me see here, the Fibonacci also extension. I actually have a shortcut for this. Let me show you here. Yeah, this one. You can do pretty much this. Also is very nice. You can do this this base here. You see the next level we're gonna reach probably 103K, and you can reach up to 160, which is 1.568 Fibonacci level. All right, so this is the level I'm expecting Bitcoin to reach. If this narrative about Trump talking about Bitcoin, about USA having a Bitcoin reserve strategy, this can be amazing, guys. There's a lot of money they can pour into Bitcoin, so I'm pretty excited to see all that, especially because I've been into Bitcoin since 2014. So I'm pretty excited for the for believing actually in Bitcoin for so long, and now it's paying off, right? It's like really it's really working. You see the what I believe is really happening, right? So let's see if Bitcoin can do that. But there's a really important level I want to show you guys, which is this level here, the 72K. If you do, like, let's say here, if the Fibonacci first, right? If we do the Fibonacci for this whole leg here, we don't have the top confirmed yet. Okay, so it is always important to have a Fibonacci retracement. We have here the 3.882, which is the 78 0.5k. Actually, you have a lot of volume here as well. You see, there's a lot of volume in this area here at around say 75k. So I don't believe Bitcoin is gonna actually lose this important level here, which has a lot of volume here. The more volume you have, the better the support is. So let's see if Bitcoin doesn't lose that. Doesn't lose that. But if it comes back to 80k, I think is a very nice opportunity to buy, to go long, so we can reach these levels. Okay, so let me keep showing this. If you go, let's check the 4 hours chart. You can have a look again. I think it's always a good idea to lower the time frame so you can have a look what's happening here to Bitcoin. You see there's a lot of volume here, guys. I don't think Bitcoin is gonna lose that. The closer it gets to 75, 72k here, I think 72k is the level. Is very unlikely Bitcoin is gonna lose it right now. So he has to. The only way this level can be lost is that when you have a lot of volume and liquidation going higher. Okay, so if it doesn't happen, Bitcoin can keep going much higher. Okay, so look at the volume we had here at 49k. This was amazing, right? And actually, in my Brazilian channel, I was talking about 40, 49, 50k. Many people were not believing. We had a lot of liquidity here. I'm using Hyblock, which is an amazing tool. I cannot show you right now because yeah, I was looking for these levels a long time ago, and I didn't have the English channel. So let me see if they still can see that. Yeah, see, there was a lot of liquidity here. I was telling people about that, right? So Bitcoin grabbed a lot of liquidity down up here. So I took profits at 83.7k, right? So now we have some liquidity up there. Let me do the lower time frame so we can see that. We have here the lower time frame. You can see we have a liquidity at 100k level. I use the 7 days. Hyblock showing the liquidity up to 102k. But yeah, we have a lot of liquidity up there, right, as well. So let's see if there's a lot of volume here. But look, guys, let me show you this these indicators here, which is amazing. This is CoinLies. It's a tool. It's a free tool, by the way. You can see a lot of sentiment indicators here. So we can see for Bitcoin, at 72k, guys, we have a lot of open interest here. So we have a lot of a delta in open interest, which means that we have a lot of support, right? So we have an increased open interest here. And this is the most important, I think, my opinion, is one of the most important support levels. But you also have a lot of support at here, at this this candle here. At yeah, 90k, because we have a lot of open interest and also some volume as well. So that's the reason why Bitcoin didn't lose this level. Also, I can show you it's a kind of VPVR for open interest. And now I'm gonna show you what open interest is in other videos, but let me show you exactly what I mean. So we have a lot of support here for Bitcoin, and the other levels we have support is the 80k and also the 75 up to 73k. So I don't think Bitcoin is gonna lose that. If it comes back here to 80k, I think it's gonna be a massive buying opportunity, in my opinion. So this is amazing. You can see a lot of where a lot of open interest increase. It's where we have the best support to actually buy Bitcoin. Of course, if you lose this support here, guys, then it's gonna have some trouble. But I think if you go back to 80k, we can have a massive buying opportunity for Bitcoin. So yeah, let's see. Maybe depending on the volume you're gonna have here, maybe we can have like a kind of a little top here. But if it goes back again, I think it's gonna be a massive buying opportunity for Bitcoin, because yeah, guys, I think Trump can push Bitcoin much higher next year. Let's see. But of course, we have the macro, and we have the also the the SP 500, DXY. Dollar, a lot of things happening next year we have to pay attention to. But of course, if you do risk management, I think we can do very well with Bitcoin, because yeah, the narrative, the Bitcoin game theory is playing out very well. So I'm super excited about Bitcoin. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much it, what I have to tell you to you today. If you like the content, don't forget to just leave the like down below, smash the like button, of course. And I'll see you guys in the next video for sure, guys. So have a good one. Bye.
During the winter season, the average normie hibernates, and Bitcoin is essentially non-existent. But there remains a dedicated class we call the humble